Now, standards are key to business because that's how you lock in the markets. However, a number of Ugandan producers or manufacturers at a small scale level struggle to meet these standards.
So tonight we dive into this story to understand some of the challenges that these entrepreneurs are facing in production.
Nsaale Health Products, we are manufacturers of medicated cosmetics, that is bathing bars and skin care lotions. These are the skin care lotions we produce. We pack them in 4 different types, and these are the bathing bars. This is Nsaale bathing bar soap with activated charcoal, used for detoxification and relieving almost all skin rashes. We got registered in 2019, but we started operations last year when we first acquired our first UNBS permits for our products. We didn't want to start production before we get certified because it will be against the law. So we first work on certification process. After we acquired the certification process, we started the operations. Unfortunately, certificates came when we are in lockdown. Once they came, we entered into second lockdown where we couldn't move and do anything. What inspired me to manufacture these skincare products, I found out that many people and many families, including myself and my family, we all suffer from common skin conditions. First of all, I was studying petroleum engineering in China, but I saw that many people were suffering with skin rashes, skin problems, and what have you, including myself. I was a victim of it, and I always wanted to do something about it. And when you go to hospitals or to clinics, they give you the products or drugs which are not so effective on us. So I started venturing into research to do them, and I ended up studying a dermatology professional certificate in Russia. After studying it, and also after doing my research, I decided to formulate skincare products, basically to help people relieve those common skin conditions. So that inspired me. My target customers, as long as you are a human being and you have a skin, you are my target customer, because skin rashes and skin conditions or diseases, they can affect anyone. My products are unique because they are effective. I can guarantee you of their effectiveness. Once you apply them on your skin, you will see results immediately. 1-2 days you will be seeing results, and the results are positive. First, they don't bleach, they are non-comedogenic, that means they don't clog your skin pores, they detoxify, they deep cleanse, they have many other health benefits. I'm a member of SIA, Uganda Small Scale Industries Association. SIA has given us opportunities like this one. Like this opportunity, we get media visibility and brand visibility. Plus, it gives us opportunity like conferences such that we can talk with the policymakers.
The Uganda Small Scale Industries Association, that is here, one of our key mandates is to enhance the growth and development of SMEs in Uganda. And one of the ways has been to help these SMEs grow into bigger SMEs, from micro to medium. And part of the areas we are looking at is formalizing these businesses as well as helping them in increasing the competitiveness of their products. One of the areas that we promote as an association is to see how these products can be certified, because we believe with product certification, it will not just increase the competitiveness, but will enable them access the markets both locally and internationally.
We have 3 products which are all certified by UNBS. This one is Nsaale bathing bar soap with activated charcoal. We have Nsaale bathing bar soap, and we have Nsaale skin care lotion. A certification as a manufacturer, it has given me confidence in my products, that my products are on standard and they can enter freely the local market and the international markets.
However, in a bid to enhance certification of these SMEs, we have a number of challenges that have actually made it hard for SMEs to access the certification. One of the key challenges has been the UN-based certification costs are quite high, because on the average, when you look at the total cost of certification, it ranges between 1.5 million to about 5 million per product. This becomes hard for an ordinary micro or small scale enterprise. Different SMEs cannot access UNBS certification because they are not accessible. They have to either move to the city or wait for the certification officers that are moving around the country to have their products certified. Our appeal, therefore, as Uganda Small Scale Industry Association, is if we are to promote the competitiveness of the SMEs, can we have a revision of the SME certification costs to see how we can enable them access and afford these costs of certification. Two, we also need to increase the accessibility of UNBS across the country, as well as we also appeal to government to also reduce on the multiple costing that UNBS brings on board.
From my experience with marketing, we find a problem as with the local manufacturers. The problem we find is like most distributors, like when you go in downtown Kampala, you find beauty cosmetic stores, which would be our main distributors of our products we produce. So we find a challenge that they think that maybe our products are not superior to the other ones, or the costs, or some of them, they say that the people who buy from them, they say, for us, we want goods from abroad. They are the ones which are superior. But local products, when they hear that it's made from Uganda, they don't support. So far, the achievements I've acquired since I got certification and it gave me morale to start employing people, because I knew that I can now start entering the market. Though the market has its own challenges, but I said, no, let me start small. Then the help will find me on the way. So I had to muscle up and I said, let me employ these are some of them, others are not there. So we started, we produced, and we want to go to look for the market. Most of the raw materials, some of them are imported, others are sourced locally. Mainly the future plan is to make sure that I eliminate as much as possible the common skin conditions which affect people, by using my products which are medicated, which are formulated to relieve those conditions.